Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 really easy vegan sauces, dips, dressings, whatever you want to do with them. They come together super quickly. They're only made with a few ingredients. They're all oil and nut free and they come together so quickly. The first 2 are actually just made in a jar, just add everything in and shake it up. And the last one is made in a blender. So let's get into it. All right, so for our first dressing, this is going to be a vegan honey mustard. I used to love honey mustard and this one tastes so good. It tastes just like regular honey mustard. It's delicious. We just swap out the honey for grade A maple syrup and it's really easy to make. This is going to be great as a dressing, as a dip for, like fries and tofu nuggets and cauliflower bites and so many things. And it's also just so great as salad dressing too. You could just add more or less water depending on what you want to do with it. It's only 4 ingredients, so let me show you how to make it. Our next dressing slash dip slash sauce slash whatever you want to do with it is going to be a creamy buffalo one. So this is really great. I love buffalo sauce, but I know for some people the spiciness of buffalo sauce is just too much. And this just kind of cools everything down and makes it really palatable and delicious. So for this, you only need a few ingredients as well, and you just add everything to the jar and shake it up. Again, this is going to be great for fries, for dipping cauliflower bites, tofu nuggets. Also can be thinned out and made into a dressing, for really good for salads, especially like in the summer. I'm imagining putting this on salad with like crispy tofu and corn and black beans. I think that would just be so good. And also really good for wraps, for dipping in wraps. So let me show you guys how to make that one.
I've got the time.
Our final dressing slash sauce is going to be a bell pepper ginger dressing. And this is made in a blender. It's super easy. It's the most thin out of all of them. This is definitely more of a dressing. This would be really good for like a Asian salad, something like that. Like a lot of tofu and edamame and peppers and chili. And I just have this sort of like vision for it being really good on an Asian salad, but it's really delicious. It packs a bunch of flavor in there. And this is definitely the one that's the lowest calorie. There's really nothing like creamy in it. It's just really like the peppers and the ingredients blended up, and it's really, really good. So let me show you guys how to make our final sauce.
Stepping on your roller coaster, going down, but I never felt this high. I
dressings, sauces, dips, whatever you want to call them. Full recipe is down below in the description box as well as on my blog. You can find all that down below, exact measurements and whatnot. If you guys like this, if you want to see more, please be sure to give this a thumbs up, a like, leave a comment, helps me to know what you guys like. If you try anything, tag me on Instagram and use hashtag plantifullybased so I can see your beautiful recreations. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Thursday with another video. Bye guys.